Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you in PowerPoint how to make word in front of image like this in front of you. I wrote here Sky Story and there's a picture here and the word is in front of the image. So I'm gonna make here new slide. We don't need this. We don't need this box, so I'm gonna left click it and then delete, and then it's gone. So we need this only. So we need this box only. We're gonna write here Sky Story, and I'm gonna make it bold so it can be more. I'm gonna make it like this box, bold. So I'm gonna make it a little bit catchy. I'm gonna make it like this, and I'm gonna make it more bigger. I'm gonna make it 60. So we made it like this one. Now we have to get the image. I download the image here. I'm gonna scroll it and then Control and C. I'm gonna click anywhere and then Control V. Now we have the image. I'm gonna cover the whole screen. I mean the whole box. Now we cover the word, and that's a problem. It's so simple to solve it. We're gonna right click and then there's send to back, and click on send to back, and then the Sky Story came. The word Sky Story came. I hope you learn more in PowerPoint. I hope you learn a lot in PowerPoint. I'm gonna make more videos about PowerPoint.